Cavite. And the race is on 5A. My Ray rushing up is Lovable Frances. Bagong Silang is running by the rail. Lovable Frances, Bagong Silang, My Ray, Unchanging Warrior. Ideal Blue is racing in fifth by the rail. Jobel Success, Friendly Fire, Blue Chic, and Live in Manila is the early trailer. Lovable Frances by a length and a half, followed by Bagong Silang. And racing in third is Unchanging Warrior by about 3 lengths. Alongside is My Ray, Ideal View. Jobel Success rushing up by the rallies Live in Manila. Alongside Friendly Fire and Blue Chic is running at the tail of the field. And out of our turn, Lovable Frances still leading by a length and a half. Bagong Silang, My Ray taking the third spot by the rallies Unchanging Warrior, racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santa Ana stretch run with Lovable Frances, the favorite, still the leader. And on the outside is Unchanging Warrior, My Ray, and nearing the finish line, Lovable Frances, Unchanging Warrior is on the outside. Unchanging Warrior and Lovable Frances by the rail, and finally it's going to be a close. I think Unchanging Warrior got there.
Aba, talagang when you're hot, you're hot.